Structure of flower and function. Class 6. In today's lecture, we will study about the structure of flower. Flower has 4 parts. Okay. Number 1 is petal, which is bright in color and attracts the insect, which is sweet in taste as well as it is scented like perfume. Okay. And it is very attractive, so it attracts the insect for pollination. The next part is the sepal. Sepal is the outer wall. Okay, it is also known as calyx, and petal is also known as corolla. Okay, sepal is known as calyx. This is green in color. When the buds are there, which is like this, the buds are closed. Okay, at that time the sepals are green in color and it covers the all inner walls. Okay, and this is like a when it opens, it is like five in number. The sepals are green leaf like. Okay, the next is the male reproductive organ, which is also known as stamen of the flower. This is a third wall. It has 2 parts, the filament and the anther. The filament is attach itself to thalamus and the anther contains pollen grain, which is male gamete. The anther has also 4 lobes, which is represented here, and it contains pollen grain, which is the male gamete, and it is attached with the filament to the thallus. Okay, thalamus. Okay, now next is the 4th wall, which is also known as carpel or pistil. So this carpel again has 3 parts: stigma, style and ovary. The ovary is the basal swollen part. You can see here. You can also see here ovary, which contains ovule and placenta and chamber. Okay, this is the cross-sectional area, cross-sectional diagram of ovary, in which we have a vertical cross-section like this, which has stigma, style, ovary and ovule in them, and attached to the thalamus. And this is the this is the horizontal section of the ovary, and it has chamber and placenta, and these are the round shaped ovules present. And placenta is like a tissue. Okay, they are attached to a tissue called placenta. And ovule is also known as female gamete. Now ovule is known as female gamete, you can see here. Okay, now this, what is style? Style is the thick thread like, long thread like middle part, which is attached from stigma to ovary. Okay, and this stigma is the sticky part, which is the terminal part. Okay, on which the during pollination the anther will stick to the stigma. Now coming on to pollination. What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grain from one plant or from same plant to another plant flower. Okay, so this is एक flower से क्या होता है, लिया जाता है pollen. ये insect से attach हो सकता है या wind से blow हो सकता है, water के through ये pollen grains will stick onto the stigma, and by the process it is transferred to the ovary, and here forms the zygote. So what is happening? So what is pollination? The transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is known as pollination. And when the pollen grain from the anther are transferred to the सेम प्लांट ऑफ सेम फ्लावर और डिफरेंट फ्लावर. ओके, अगर एक ही प्लांट है, या तो उसके सेम फ्लावर में या तो उसके डिफरेंट फ्लावर में, मगर प्लांट सेम है, तो उसे सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन बोलेंगे. प्लांट सेम है, ठीक है. अगर हम क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन बोलते हैं तो दूसरे टाइप का क्या होता है, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, जिसमें फ्लावर डिफरेंट होगा बट टाइप सेम होगा. अगर सेम टाइप के 2 प्लांट है या कई प्लांट हैं, तो एक फ्लावर के प्लांट से एंथर दूसरे प्लांट के फ्लावर में, दूसरे फ्लावर मतलब दूसरा प्लांट के फ्लावर में उसके स्टिग्मा पे अटैच हो रहा है. ओके, सो दैट इज नोन एज क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, बट टाइप सेम होना चाहिए. एंड पॉलिनेशन के एजेंट्स होते हैं विंड, वाटर, इंसेक्ट, birds, etc. Okay, so they will transfer the pollen grains. So this is known as pollination. Two types, self and cross. Self on the same plant, cross on the different plant of same type. Okay. Now what is fertilization? Fertilization में क्या होता है, ये जो मेल गैमीट्स या pollen grains है, इसे मेल गैमीट बोलते हैं pollen grain को, और फीमेल गैमीट बोलते हैं ओव्यूल को. ठीक है. तो जो ये pollen grains हैं या मेल गैमीट से ये ट्रैवल डाउन करेंगे, ठीक है, ओवरी में जाएंगे एंड ओव्यूल के साथ ये फ्यूज करके इट विल फॉर्म अ एग, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज फर्टिलाइजेशन. एंड दिस fertilized egg is also known as zygote. When zygote will develop, it will form an embryo and it will form a new plant. Also, when this egg is fertilized, all the parts like petal, sepal जो भी है ये सब fall off हो जाएगा, और ovary will form a fruit and ovule will form a seed. Again, all the parts will after the fertilization, all parts will shed off and ovary will form the fruit and ovule will form the seed. Now you can see what is pollination and fertilization, and do you know what is the difference between them? Okay. Now second is, what is the function of flower? So flower is a reproductive organ, we all know, and the ovary will form the fruit and ovule will form a seed. Okay. Flower makes everything beautiful, okay, surrounding beautiful. Also honey bee or some insect, what they do, on the nectar of the plant they will take the juice of the flower and they will collect it, and honey bee will prepare and collect to form honey. Okay, so honey bee basically plant से honey bees collect करते हैं उसके sweet juice को, और उसे convert कर देते हैं वो लोग honey में. Okay, and also perfumes are made from the flower, from the natural perfumes are made from the flowers. And the other function is like we have clove. लौंग सबने सुना होगा. क्लोव क्या होती है, एक तरह का फ्लावर ही होता है जो बड्स होती है पर ड्राई फ्लावर होता है. तो ये किस लिए यूज़ होता है, स्पाइसेस की तरह यूज़ होता है एंड आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन में यूज़ होता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द फ्लावर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेल. एंड अरेंजमेंट अगर हो रही है फ्लावर की स्टॉक पे, ठीक है, एक के बाद एक, तो उससे हम क्या बोलेंगे, इनफ्लोरेसेंस. ओके, arrangement of flower on stalk, इसे हम inflorescence. If you like my channel, please subscribe to Amplify Study. Thank you.